More than 25 years ago, SNS launched the Healthy Nails movement with the first major dipping powder system. For years, SNS built this revolutionary category alone. Then the industry caught on, and today, SNS has imitators all over the world. Yet SNS remains the undisputed leader of the dipping powder sector, with higher quality products, more exciting innovations, better training, and a more passionate commitment to health and beauty than any other company.
Everything you do, you must have passion. Be a chemist for many years and be a salon owner for close to 40 years. I know exactly what salon owner needed, and I know exactly what nail technicians expect from SNS.
Women everywhere are sick of sacrificing their health for their beauty. SNS has listened to the consumer's needs like no other company.
Nail health is very important to me. I've used other products throughout the years and they've damaged my nails, but with SNS, there's no scraping. It literally just comes off your nail. When it's off, my nails look healthier.
Today, SNS is the name people give to dipping powders. Like Xerox is the name for photocopying, or Kleenex for tissues. That's because SNS products leave the natural nail bed even healthier than it was before, while offering over 400 spectacular colors and a complete pink and white system, creating nails that feel light and natural, strong enough to last undamaged for 14 days or more, with a stunning mirror finish. The simple 3-step process is almost odorless. It's non-allergenic and requires no UV light. SNS protects quality by controlling every step of the manufacturing process, from sourcing the ingredients to packaging the final product.
So some of the things that we do here at our SNS Quality Control Department for our colors is to ensure that every batch has an exact match and the nails are tested to have the end result that we're seeing in the color palettes that are coming out with every new season. Each of the employees have been trained based on Joe's application of SNS. They ensure that the end result is exactly what you're being trained on at the SNS Academy.
To deliver these extraordinary products to market, SNS depends on its network of professional distributors. These dedicated men and women are the backbone of the SNS business. Because of them, millions of women worldwide continue to enjoy the benefits of SNS health and beauty.
Hi, my name is Kaden and I've been using SNS for about 3 years.
My name is Jessica and I live in Gastonia, North Carolina. I've been using the SNS products for probably about 2 years.
Hi, my name is Michaela Anderson. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been using SNS for about 3 years.
Hey, my name is Angie Morton. I live in Belmont, North Carolina. Been using SNS for about 5 years.
My name is Stacy and I live here in Fuquay. I've been using SNS for 10 years.
Since I've been using it, my nails grow a lot faster and it makes my nails, quite frankly, stronger.
I have used other products in the past like acrylic and just gel polish and they just don't hold up the same.
My experience with other nails, they just break and I always come to get my nails fixed more often, and ever since I've been using SNS, I have not had a broken nail or anything at all. It's just been great.
It has no odor and it's durable and they help my nails grow long and strong. So I do like that about it.
It lasts 2-3 weeks. Lots of colors to choose from. Don't break or chip. Makes my nails grow healthier and stronger and they look real natural.
My nails have gotten this long within a year. I don't think I'd ever go back to acrylic nails because my nails are way healthier and longer than they've ever been. I would never go back to acrylic or anything other than SNS. I would not let anybody do my nails except for David.
I would never ever go back to acrylic or gel nails. They just never lasted long for me.
Probably never go back to acrylic because they just don't hold up the same way, plus the smell when you get them done.
Definitely, I always recommend SNS. I always get complimented on my nails and tell them how great it is.
I refer all of my friends here to get their nails done, to get SNS. Everywhere I go, everybody loves my nails. And I tell them it's because of SNS. I love the SNS products and I definitely recommend it to my friends and family all the time.
I do love SNS products, and I definitely recommend them to my friends and family. And I also can always recognize them by the product in the jar.
I have been using SNS for 2 years now. Most clients come to me with acrylics and their nails are so damaged and they looked really thin, like paper thin. And after putting SNS on, like their nails grew back stronger and healthier.
No odor. That's one of the biggest things that we like in our salon. The second that the clients step in and without the smells, the odor, it just totally different experience for the clients, and especially for us too. As a tech sitting there, you don't want to smell the acrylic all day long.
But the clients that want healthier nails, they achieve it through SNS. Acrylic, when you're using the primers, they're so highly acidic that it breaks down the nail surface, and we don't have to do that because SNS is pre-bonded. You can take a customer and you can give her very long, beautiful nails to go to an event, and then she can come back in 2 weeks and you can remove those nails and have a completely healthy, strong nail underneath that gives you such a diversity and customizable service to your client base.
Triple my incomes in such a short amount of time.
Well, after using SNS, my clients have doubled. I've been getting a lot more clients. A lot of clients have recommended other people. Not only does SNS provide awesome products, but it also likes to educate consumers about the well-being of the product and how it can help you in so many ways.
My name is Maria and this is my SNS. I put my nails through a lot every single day. When I'm in front of my students or clients, I always want to look presentable. No matter how much my nails go through, at the end of the day, they're clean, they look fresh. I feel like if it wasn't for SNS, I would always be worrying about it. I would be hiding my hands because of all the paint or the chipped nail polish that I would probably have, but I always get compliments on my nails. Every day when I'm painting, I look at my hands and I'm like, oh, my hands look pretty. My name is Maria and this is my SNS.
My name is Jessica and I am a marketing client strategist. On the day-to-day, I help build marketing strategies for my clients. It all starts with you feeling confident. I do meet with people on a day-to-day basis, and the first thing that many of my clients see are my nails. So I want to make sure that they're always looking nice, sleek, professional, yet adding a little personal touch to them. I really don't have much time between each travel destination to get my nails done. Having a product that is long-lasting is very important for me. My name is Jessica, and this is my SNS.
Hi, my name's Sierra, and I'm from Gastonia, North Carolina. I've been using SNS for about 1.5 years.
My name is Brandy Davis. I'm from North Carolina, and I have my nails done here at Dream Nails in Gastonia.
Hey, my name's Allison, and I am from Gastonia, North Carolina. I've been using SNS products for about 2 years.
My name is Yolanda Byers. I live in Dallas, North Carolina. I've been using the SNS products for about 5 years.
It's really great. It helps your nails grow. It makes them look stronger, healthier, more natural.
I am a nurse by profession, and SNS has changed my nail life. They do not break, they do not crack, they are phenomenal.
Would never go back to acrylic. It definitely makes your nails a lot stronger, durable, and it does not chip.
I love it because it makes my nails grow long and strong. They're healthier than they've ever been.
There's no odor when I get them done. When I come in, they last for the whole time until my next appointment. There's never any issue with them looking unprofessional at work.
I would never actually go back to acrylics because acrylics can ruin your nails, and SNS is so much healthier.
My nails, from ever since I've been using it, have been growing natural, healthier.
I would never use any other product after being introduced to Dream Nails, and I just really love their product.
I love the product, and I recommend it to all my friends and family.
SNS has a logo. If you're not finding that where you're getting your nails done, you're getting them done at the wrong place.
I do love those SNS products.
If you want to get the SNS, you can see by this logo right here.
I would not go back to acrylic nails, and I definitely recommend SNS products to all my friends and family.
My name is Kathy Hamilton, and I live in Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina. I have been using SNS products for quite a few years, at least probably 5+ years.
Hi, my name's Kristen. I'm from Gastonia, North Carolina. I've been using SNS products for about 7 years now.
I'm Brandy Braswell. I've been coming here for about a year or so.
My name is Benita Husteller, and I live in Gastonia, North Carolina. I've been using SNS products for about 4 years.
My nails have always been really weak, and I've never been able to get them to grow. And using the gel and acrylic, I noticed was making my nails very, very weak.
I do not like acrylic. I think it damages your nails.
I actually hated acrylic nails, never liked having my nails done until the SNS product here.
The benefits of that is that your nails grow healthier and stronger, and they look much more natural than the acrylic nails.
I love SNS, and I've been coming here ever since. I've never went anywhere else or went back to anything other than SNS. The benefits of using SNS products is there's no odor, they're durable, they don't chip or break very easily, and your nails grow healthier and stronger, even with having product on them.
Love it. Wouldn't recommend anything else. Like, I feel like acrylic damages your nails, and it goes on your normal nails. I love that it doesn't damage them.
I always feel super welcomed here. The products are great. My nails look great. They never break. They last a long time.
It actually helps them grow more, and I feel like it's a healthier option. I definitely would never put acrylic back on my nails again.
I would not go back to anything other than SNS. I highly recommend it to my family and my friends.
I love the SNS products, and I recommend that product to all of my friends and family.
I recommend this to my family and friends. I've actually brought people here, so I couldn't ask for better people to do my nails, to be honest with you.
The main thing is making sure that the logo is on the product. So you want to make sure that you see the SNS logo on the products that they are using.
It's very easily recognized just with the SNS logo.
It's amazing, and wouldn't change it.